Hello everyone. Thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, it is Saturday, August 15, 2020. I wanted to make another video to share with you my highlights on a few companies I feel that will position yourself to add so much money into your investment portfolio. But first, before I begin, I'd like to inform you that the information I'm going to share with you should all be used as guidance information only, and anytime when you make an investment decision, please do your own investment research. All the information I'm giving you today, all that information should be used as guidance for your own investment. Alright, now let's begin. Now, ticker number one I wanted to talk about is a company that is working on a potential COVID-19 solution, and that is company iBio Incorporation, alright, by the ticker iBio. What is so unique about this company? Well, what's so unique is the fact that the share price had gone from low $2 up to $7, and then it's dropped down to back to the $2 mid-range. I feel like it's such a great buying opportunity right now if you park your money there in iBio, and I'm sure that the company share price will increase given the current state of the company, state of the art working with Texas A&M AgriLife, and the fact that there's a 2-month cycle time there to support the seedlings that have already grown at the iBio plant site. That seedling is transported to Texas A&M AgriLife to grow for an additional few months, and then that gets harvested. The leaves then get sent back to iBio facility to then start doing the synthesizing of the protein characterization to make the human collagen that goes into the vaccine. So that's how it all works. It hasn't gone in full implementation yet, but I feel like the company has defined its processes. It just needs additional time for its investigational new drug submission to be accepted by the FDA so that it gains FDA concurrence to go into phase 1 clinical trials for its iBio 200, the virus-like particle, VLP, and the iBio 201, which is the protein-based vaccine that's being studied in preclinical trials. So right now, if you were to park your money in iBio, I feel like it's a great buying opportunity and you can capitalize on so much positive proceeds. Once it does go beyond its prior resistance of $7, I foresee this company's share price to go beyond the double-digit share price range easily. It's just a matter of when that time comes. We can't expect when that time will come, but I am firm that that time will come. Alright, now ticker number 2 I wanted to share with you is by the company Inovio Pharmaceuticals. INO is the ticker. Now, why am I so big on Inovio Pharmaceuticals? You probably realize that I'm very big on both iBio and INO. But why, right? Well, I'm so big on Inovio Pharmaceuticals because me, as a science person who loves to learn and research about companies that have the best product portfolio, I feel like I trust and respect Inovio's product line because it's easy for me to understand the company's product than any other company product. I mean, there are other companies that I find certain products that are unique, such as creation of the dummy ACE2 variable done by SRNE, and then you have the oral vaccine medication done by VXRT. So things like that, that's what stands out. Now with the Novio Pharmaceuticals, it's a DNA-based vaccine. That's why I firmly believe in the science of it, as well as plant-based vaccine, which is why I firmly believe in iBio. So those are the reasons why I'm so big on those companies. And it's not me trying to pump the company like what some people would say, but it's ultimately me just sharing my knowledge in terms of knowing what the company can do for all of us, right? But Inovio currently, the share price is hovering at around high 14s, close to $15. Previously, it was close to $12. I thought that was a great buying opportunity at that time, but hey, you can't time the market, you can't time when it goes to the low, but right now, the fact that you can get it in the the mid-range, $14-15, that's a great buying opportunity to position yourself for long-term future value growth with companies like Inovio Pharmaceuticals. We know that the company is going to initiate its phase 2 clinical trials within a few weeks once it goes headway into September, and we should be receiving the peer review information from the top quality health company. So that right there is going to validate whether the Ino 4800 works or not, because it's all based on health professionals and top scientists that are putting their names out there on the peer review process. Alright, so Novio Pharmaceuticals right now, the fact that it dropped from high 30s down to where it's currently at right now, like at a 50% drop. Actually, it was more of like a 60% drop. It recently just gained back 10%. So I think this is a great buying opportunity right now to position yourself in Inovio Pharmaceuticals and ride the wave once it continues to trend upward. Alright, and now last ticker I wanted to share with you is Organovo by the ticker ONVO. Now this company is very unique because I feel like it's a disruptive company that will disrupt the market in the future for how clinical trials take place and so forth, because this company is creating artificial livers so that drug pharmas and biologics don't really have to test on animals or humans. Instead, you can just test on this newly created liver to assess its toxicity rather than on living things. So that's unique and amazing. That's why it fits into the disruptive technology sector. And also our investments do have investments in this company as well as other big institutions. And the fact that this company is hovering at the very low right now, I mean, previously it was hovering at 50 cents, now it's up at the 70 cents, but I feel like it has room to go beyond that into the whole double-digit range. I know like in 2013 this company was hovering at around the close to $10 whole dollar value range, so let's not underestimate Organovo and what it can potentially do for the future. Alright, so those are the 3 tickers I wanted to share with you, and I hope that you found this video valuable and that you can incorporate it into your own investment strategies. But wanted to say thank you for your continued support, audience, and I will continue to produce videos. And just leave any questions if you have any inquiries as to what stock you have questions on. Please feel free to leave questions below, and hit the like and subscribe if you want more content related to this. And I want to say thank you so much for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is W. Thank you.